right, so I'm going to try to make a hole instead of doing it the way we did before by using the hole wizard. So we've got creating holes using the hole wizard. So first I'm going to click on the top. So top and click and hole wizard. And in the property manager, so this tab here, I'm going to go to the type tab, which is already selected, and under the hole type, so I've got a bunch of them here, counterbore, countersink, and I would like select countersink. So I'm going to select that one. And then I want ANSI metric. So standard ANSI, it might say ANSI inch, but I want metric. And then I want flathead screw 18.6.7. So if I was in inch, you'll notice flathead screw that options are different. So you have to be in metric. All right, and then for under hole specifications, select M6, drop down M6 in size, and under options, so let me scroll down a little bit more. Options, head clearance, 1. Add it to C-bore. Increase C-sync, nope, I want C-bore. And head clearance mode, okay. Select the positions tab, so I'm switching over to the positions tab. In the graphics area, this area over here, click the base cylinder inside the ring boss. So this is my base, and it's all flat. If you remember, you drew one big circle, and this is my ring boss. So I'm going to click in here. So in the graphics area, click the base cylinder inside the ring boss. Click. Then click again above the center hole to place a hole. The hole position does not need to be exact. Okay. Move the pointer under the center hole so the inference center line appears. So the inference, so if you notice when I bring the circle down for the hole, there's the blue dashed line there. That's the inference, meaning it's inferring, it's suggesting that that is the center line of the circle. So because that's there, I know I'm lined up. If I go to the side a little bit, the blue line disappears. So once that appears, now I know I'm on the center line. So move the pointer under the center hole so the inference center line appears. Then click to place another hole. Click. Press escape to stop inserting holes. Escape, and that went away. Drag the first hole onto the inference center line. There we go. So there's no dash line, and there's the dash line. Got it? Okay. Now I want to modify and dimension the holes using the wizard. On the type tab, on the type tab, type, I don't see type. There we go. I must have to select the hole. So on the type tab, here we go. Select M4 for the size. Whoops, M4. Click zoom to area. Well, that'll be a good feature in case I lose my diagram. Zoom to area. Okay. On the two holes. So I can see both of those. Select the positions tab. Done. Click Smart Dimensions. Click. Select the center of the top hole. Click. And the origin. So right there, click. Oh, it appeared. Then the click to place the dimensions. So let's have it appear over here. And the dimension I want is 22. Press the green click. Click. Repeat steps 5 and 6. So I'm going to select the center of the bottom hole. Select the origin. Click. 22. Check. Now also click the check in the dimension and hole position Property manager. Check. Okay. Single hole wizard hole close entire model. Oh, single hole wizard hole close up and entire model. In the feature manager design tree. Configuration. Feature manager, that very first one. Right click CSK. Right click for CSK for M4 flathead machine screw 1. I don't see it. CSK. Right click CSK. All right, I found it. So it says click the green check in the dimension, which we did after we typed in 22. Then it says also the whole position. So click on the green check over here. A vertex. Okay. Over here, it says through all. That's our vertex, because a second ago it said vertex. So through all is what we did before. So let's see here. So if I click through all and then I click the green check mark, that looks like that worked. Now it says in the feature manager tree, so this first one, right click on CSK. And click delete. Because it is not part of the model design. Click yes to confirm deletion. Oh, so we just made, okay. So we made those two holes using the wizard, but we don't really need them, so we're going to delete them. Yes, delete them, please. Great. So if I right click and delete, it'll take the whole thing off. So I suppose if I right click on cut, it'll give me the option to delete as well. And I don't want to do that though. And that's how you use the hole wizard, and then you use the back button. Done.